Good morning, everybody. Today is a special day because today we are going to have solar eclipse. This year it's not going to be so easily visible in India, but in northern hemisphere it will be very beautiful, a ring-like structure, particularly in Canada, Russia, Greenland, this kind of places you can see it. Maybe in some part of North Asia, maybe in Punjab or Kashmir, if people are lucky, they can see it. However, you can see it in the websites. They show very clearly on how it evolves over time. In Indian time, it starts by 1:42 and goes almost for 5 hours, which means not all the 5 hours you can see it. It will be visible for 2 hours in Russia, maybe 3 hours in Canada. That's what it means. Apart from this one, there is nothing special in this one. There are so many stories about these eclipses. These stories are abound in almost every civilization. All this because few hundred years ago, we were so ignorant that we start building stories after stories for each and every astronomical event. For example, in Scandinavia, it is the wild fox which is supposed to bite the moon or sun during these eclipses. And funnily, in in another part, it is the wolves. It is supposed to bite this one. In China, as you would expect, it is a dragon which is supposed to swallow or bite the sun. In India, what would be expected is we are so scared of big snakes, we say two snakes, Ragu or Kedu. These kind of snakes are biting or swallowing solar eclipse, or biting or swallowing sun or the moon during solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. All these are just plain cock and bull stories based on our ignorance and fear of the celestial event. Since this is a regular routine astronomical event, pregnant women can happily walk under solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. Anybody can eat anything, whatever they want. They can do routine work at all. Whatever routine work they do. These eclipses will have no impact on you. Only warning is don't ever see the solar eclipse directly with your naked eye. You must see through dark glasses. Now let's see what this eclipse is. When the moon comes between sun and earth, it becomes solar eclipse. When earth comes between sun and the moon, you end up with lunar eclipse. So it is just a game of one object, one celestial object casting a shadow on another. That's all. This is happening for years together. It will happen for many thousands more, maybe for many few million years also. Apart from this regular routine game among themselves, they do not have any positive or negative impact on you and me. That you should bear in mind. Those days of astrological ignorances we should come out of those ignorances and superstitions. Try to understand the laws of nature and appreciate the beauty of nature. Thank you very much.